guys, Cindy from ScrapBrat. Today we are taking part in 2 challenges, Face Behind the Hands, and that's hosted by Linda over at Lenny P. And I will tag the hosts, the creators of these hashtags. I will tag them. And what's in a name, and that's by Paper Confessions with Carmela and BB's Closet Creations. And I'm also tagging a lot of you guys. And if you don't want to take part in it, that's fine. But if you would, maybe check out some of the other channels, because everybody that I'm tagging is a smaller channel. And go show them some love. Watch a couple of their videos. Think about subscribing and make comments on their videos. And please watch them, in their completion. If you don't have time for a 30-minute video, maybe watch a 15-minute video, because that really does help. But yeah, so I'm Cindy, and my channel is ScrapBrat, and the channel name came from a discussion we had one night when trying to figure out a channel name for when I wanted to produce videos for my church ladies. About a year ago, a little over a year ago, I did a thing at church to introduce everybody to junk journals, Bible journals, and everybody couldn't be there and stay for the class, for the full class. So I made a couple of videos for them, and to be able to produce videos on YouTube, you can watch without a channel name, but to be able to actually put videos up, you have to have a name and a handle and all those things. And yeah, so my husband and I were talking, and I said, what about Scrap Rat? Kind of a play on words with pack rat. And he calls me a brat because I call myself a brat, because I'm a brat about a lot of things. I want things done a certain way. I want, I'm a brat. Yeah. Especially when it comes to my farm stuff. I am a farm brat. But yeah, so it became, instead of Scrap Rat, it became Scrap Brat. And that's where the channel name came from. So it's because I'm a brat. And yeah, that's where it came from. But a little bit about me. I am a massage therapist by trade, and I work on people in a dark room, in a quiet dark room. I'm not used to being in front of the camera, but yeah, I live in the Midwest, and I would love to be able to meet creators in the Midwest. I'm about 45 miles west of St. Louis. And if you're in the area, please let me know. Or if you know of another creator who is in the general vicinity, please let me know. Because I would like to connect with other creators in my area. Maybe have coffee or something, or maybe get together with like a crafty play date, trade scraps. But yeah, we have a small farm, and we have chickens and ducks and goats and donkeys and emu. And yeah, I had a baby at 45. I'm I'm a uh, I'm a midlife mother. People sometimes buy Corvettes and convertibles. I had a child. Yeah, and I always say I'm on the back half of the century. So yeah, I'm a I'm pushing retirement age, and I have an 8-year-old. So there's that. But people think I'm his grandmother. And announcement: I am going to be joining that club in November, early November. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, so um, yeah, I'm I I do a joy mail. I do a hashtag spread joy, and the idea behind it is by you making a comment and telling how you spread joy, you you possibly have the chance of having others read it or hear it if you're a creator, and they will be inspired to go out and spread joy themselves. And how you enter to be a recipient of the joy mail. I do 2 a month. I do 1 subscriber and 1 creator. And how you enter is you use the hashtag spread joy, and you tag me at ScrapBrat. And yeah, you just tell the story of how you spread joy. It can be as simple as buying someone a coffee, holding the door open, um, talking with a neighbor when you don't really have the time, just making time for others and being kind. Joy is infectious. It's everlasting. It's amazing. And yeah, that's the idea behind that, is that you spreading joy, and others hear about it or read about it, and they in turn want to go, they feel inspired to go and spread joy themselves. And that's what we need more of. We need more joy in this world, and it makes our Lord happy when we spread joy. So yeah, so there's that. And yeah, so like I said, we have animals and they take up a lot of our time, but they're worth it. And I love my critters. And yeah, I do all kinds of crafts. I usually only make videos on junk journal and junk journal ephemera and things like that. But I have found that every other craft that I do, I can pull it into junk journaling. My leather, my jewelry making, sewing, all of the things, the painting and clay and resin, it all piles into junk journaling. So even the metal work, it's all incorporated. And in case you've never been here, I have 2 styles. I do grungy and I do childish. That's there's no there's no meat in the middle. No, there is kind of. I love shabby chic. I haven't made anything shabby chic in forever, uh, but I yeah, I love it. And I see everybody's, and oh, it just gives me that itch. I am in the process of gathering things to make a pink grungy journal, and that'll be fun. But yeah, so um, I also do the hashtag finding my floor with Candy over at Candy's Crafty Creations, and it's a authentic craft room tour where we show our before, during, and after craft rooms, and the honest, open truth about organization woes, and how things come about, and the hurdles that sometimes we have as crafters, and especially junk journalers, because we see value in everything. We see the uh, potential in a bottle cap. So it's hard to stay organized. But yeah, we do that. And yeah, so yeah, I guess that's about it for me. It's about me in a nutshell, I guess. I Yeah. If you have any questions about me, or about my channel, feel free to drop them below. Um, and the other creators, if I didn't tag you, um, please feel free to make a comment below. Feel free to join in. Everybody's welcome. But if I didn't tag you, please feel free to make a comment below so I can make sure I can come over and show you some love, and watch some of your videos and subscribe, and make comments and all all the fun things. So, yeah, but I want you to make sure you go out and do something to spread joy today, guys, and love one another and be kind to yourself and others. And until next time, much love. Thanks. Bye.